Hey everyone, it's Patrick Morrison, and today I'm going to be doing a quick rant about the notion of the shadow biosphere. For those of you who aren't aware, the shadow biosphere refers to a hypothetical group of microorganisms with a very different biochemistry from our own. Theories about how it came into being include that life began twice on Earth, that it branched off from everything else before the last common ancestor of all known living organisms, or that it arrived on Earth via panspermia, or conversely, the last common ancestor arrived via panspermia, while the shadow biosphere is what remains of the original biosphere. When we try to identify microorganisms in environmental samples, we do so by sequencing all the DNA in the environment and comparing it to known genomes from databases. The collective DNA composition of the environment is known as the metagenome. Since any organism that was part of the shadow biosphere would have a very different biochemistry, they also wouldn't use DNA and wouldn't have been detected in these metagenomic studies. So, could a shadow biosphere exist? My tentative answer would be no, because if they're not using DNA, they'd be using another polymer as their genetic material. While they wouldn't show up on metagenomic studies, we've been doing mass spec on environmental samples long before then, and we would have noticed some kind of weird polymer by now and figured out that they couldn't have been produced abiotically. So, that's why I'm highly skeptical of the notion of a shadow biosphere. But if you have a different view on the topic, I look forward to reading your comments. Thanks.